Did you know capybaras can sleep underwater? And that's not even their coolest ability. Capybaras are semi-aquatic masters who can hold their breath for up to 5 minutes and even sleep underwater, keeping their nose above surface. These social butterflies are nature's ultimate friendship goals. They live in groups of 20 to 40, and even babysit each other's babies. Capybaras are nature's living chairs. Birds, monkeys, and even other capybaras regularly sit on them, and they don't mind at all. They're related to guinea pigs but can grow as big as a sheep, weighing up to 150 pounds. That's like 150 guinea pigs in one giant package. Drop it in the comments if you're amazed that these gentle giants can actually purr like cats when they're happy. Which fact surprised you most?